Hello and welcome to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर. ICC chairman Greg Barkley has opted out of a third term following his tenure on November 30, and the spotlight has certainly shifted to BCCI Secretary Jay Shah. As per certain reports, शायद जय शाह उनको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं एज चेयर ऑफ द आईसीसी. वेल, क्या है पूरी रिपोर्ट, क्या है इसकी डिटेल्स? आई हैव विद मी साहिल मल्होत्रा टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. साहिल, व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट रिपोर्ट? क्या डेवलपमेंट्स हो रही हैं? क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि जय शाह अब बार्कले को रिप्लेस करने वाले हैं?
I think Soumya, before we get to the extreme end of what is happening, we should understand अभी क्या हो रहा है. Greg Barkley opting out of the race means there will be a new ICC chairman for a start. पहले ये चीज तय है कि Greg Barkley is going. Greg Barkley is not seeking a third term as you informed. So there will be a new chairman in place when the new term gets underway from December 1st, if I'm not wrong. Now, what will happen before that? Till August 27th, ICC directors have an option to file their nomination for running for the ICC chairperson post. Now, plenty of ICC directors could throw their hat in the ring. There could be some backroom lobbying already underway when it comes to that. Now, what will Jay Shah do? I think that's anybody's guess right now. It's too early for anyone to jump at conclusions because till date, Jay Shah hasn't made any on record or a public statement on his desire to go to the International Cricket Council. There have been speculations. There have been indications. I would say very strong indications that with his tenure coming to an end. And see, अभी भी उनका एक साल बचा as a secretary as per लोधा commission. लोधा पैनल का जो रिपोर्ट था उसके तहत वो 3 साल आई थिंक जीसीए थे, फिर 6 साल वो बीसीसीआई उनके 2025 में होने वाले हैं. So उस लॉजिक से will he be going to ICC this year only? I don't know at this stage, and nobody knows at this stage, right? Because you'll only get a clear picture the moment he files his nomination, and there are only 6 days left for that. If he doesn't file his nomination, you have an indication of what is going to happen, what he's going to do. Probably a candidate of his choice maybe could take up the ICC chairperson role. Who knows what is going to happen? But right now, to suggest that he's winning the elections unopposed, he's the youngest ICC chairman, and all that jazz, for that to happen, he has to file the nomination first. Till date, I repeat, till date, BCCI Secretary Mr. Jay Shah hasn't made a single on record or a public statement regarding his intention of moving to the ICC, regarding taking the Dubai headquarters and leading the global cricket body. And अभी सौ में बहुत कुछ चालू है यार आईसीसी के अंदर. अभी it's like that messy swimming pool you wouldn't want to bathe yourself in, right? There's so much happening when it comes to USA cricket. 2 influential ICC employees are already on their way out. An external audit is on the card. A cultural audit of the organization is already on the cards. So many things have been left unattended. We did that series regarding Mr. Alex Marshall, regarding those complaints of harassment by a female employee, then how the T20 World Cup was conducted. Then there's a thorny issue of the 2025 Champions Trophy right in front of us. So बहुत कुछ चालू है यार, and they also need to set the house in order in USA cricket. So right now, whoever takes up the ICC chairperson job, it's going to be one of the most difficult administrative stints to have ever been taken, because बहुत रायता फैला हुआ है, बहुत गंदगी फैला हुआ है, and it's important to kind of streamline operations, streamline things. So let's wait and watch. As I said, next 6 days are going to be very crucial. So before we jump on to conclusions, let's wait and watch what Mr. Jay Shah actually does, because he has been tight-lipped on what he wants to do.
यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड के बोर्ड्स का कितना ज्यादा से होता है, बिकॉज काफी ज्यादा से रहता है 3 बोर्ड्स का. कितना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होगा उनका एक सपोर्ट आना अगर जय शाह का नाम उस लिस्ट में आता है, उस अगर वो इफ ही थ्रोज हिज हैट ऑन द इन दैट पोजीशन.
चलो आप अब हाइपोथेटिकल सवाल पूछ रहे हो तो मैं हाइपोथेटिकल आंसर दे देता हूँ. If Jay Shah throws his hat in the ring, how many hats will you find opposite him? Not even one, I would say. अगर वो हुआ तो वो इलेक्शन कभी होगा ही नहीं. There will be no fight. He'll be elected unopposed. That's the kind of clout and the and hold he enjoys over world cricket right now. And that's not because he's Mr. Amit Shah's son, or he has that family background. He has done tremendous things for Indian cricket as an administrator during his terms as a secretary. What it did for women's cricket, pay parity, WPL, India winning the title, dominating world cricket, all those things. They're not done overnight, boss. So he has enjoyed a lot of hold over that, and improving the financial health of the BCCI, then bargaining a better position at the ICC, where BCCI are now getting close to 40% of ICC's global revenue. So all those things, they were possible only because Jay Shah was there, and Jay Shah has been the chairperson of the Financial and Commercial Affairs Committee, which is the all-powerful FNCA wing of the International Cricket Council. So taking all those things into account, it will take some doing to kind of even contest against Jay Shah. Leave aside the part that कि आप compete करोगे, contest करने के लिए भी बहुत जिगरा चाहिए if he throws his hat in the ring.
Okay, one last question, because you mentioned a word hypothetical. Hypothetically, अगर मैं मानूं he is moving on, so who can be that one guy who will replace him in the BCCI, क्योंकि वो भी एक void create हो जाएगा.
No, Abhi, that's too early, yaar. Abhi, I think we should first, because you need to see how many existing BCCI office bearers वो लोधा committee के norms के according अभी भी eligible है. Whether it's the likes of Arun Dhumal, say per se, who's the IPL chairman right now. All those people, you need to see कितना इन लोग का tenure बचा है, term बचा है, और अभी BCCI में replacement देखने से पहले देख तो लो ICC में क्या करने वाला है. So अभी मतलब 1+1 2 करना, it's too early for that. कल सिर्फ ये तय हुआ है कि ग्रेग बार्कले wouldn't run a third term, and it was always on the cards. तो third term कैसे लड़ लेगा यार, मतलब इतना रायता फैला के आए हो T20 वर्ल्ड कप के अंदर, तो अभी तो आपको ऑनरी एग्जिट मिल रहा है, तो वही अच्छा है, क्योंकि अभी जब ऑडिट होगा तो बहुत सारी चीजें खुल के आएंगी.
Yeah. Well, Sahil, thank you so much for your updates. ऐसे ही बात करते रहेंगे इंडियन क्रिकेट और वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट के बारे में. थैंक यू फॉर योर इनसाइट्स. अभी के लिए विदा लेते हैं और दोबारा जुड़ेंगे आपसे, बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.